gotta time the bottom here. Did a little notch. Here, all the way. It goes straight like this, all the way to this bolt here. That's the line underneath. So put a timing mark here. There's going to be a line, the bolt here, a line here, here, all the way here. So I marked it here, goes here, big pulley, mark here, come here, middle of the thermostat housing, come here, all the way here, like that. So that's your straight line for the bottom. And for the front, this one here, this one here, this one here, and this one here. This one here. I looked at the manual machine shop, and this is how it says. Don't forget, they gotta be at top dead center. So that's how you do the timing.